Hi, my name is Christina Fernandez. I'm an instructional assistant too, and today I'll be talking to you about how to use the sound system and record audio here in the Creator Space. The soundboard, speakers, and computer are all interconnected, so to use them, you must carefully follow along with these steps. Part 1. Power on the sound system. The first thing you're going to do is turn on the computer and sign in. Then, you'll reach around the back of the soundboard and toggle the power on button here. Next, look at the volume wheel under the monitor. Rotate it to the right to power on the speakers. The volume is controlled by a combination of the desktop volume and the volume wheel. The volume wheel also has bass control. If you want to increase the bass, push this tab up. If you want to lower it, push the tab down. Congratulations, you've powered on the sound system. Next, let's talk about how to record audio. To record audio from the soundboard, go ahead and open OBS. If you're using OBS for the first time, it'll open with a default scene in place. Go to the right to Sources and select the plus sign at the bottom. From the list, select Audio Input Capture. In the Create/Select Source box, feel free to name the source anything you'd like. Since I'm recording a voiceover, I'm going to go ahead and call it Voiceover. The Properties menu will open up. If you click the drop-down menu, you'll see all the different DLZ channels. The numbers correlate to what you see on the DLZ screen. Since our microphone is plugged into channel 1, let's select DLZ Creator 1 to 2. We're ready to record a voiceover. Head to the right and select Start Recording. You can tell when OBS is in recording mode by looking down here. A bright red circle will fill in, and a timer will begin letting you know how long you've been recording. Talk directly into the microphone to record your audio, and when you're ready, click Stop Recording. On the bottom left, you'll see Recording Saved To and the name of the file. You must not close OBS until you see the file name disappear. If you do, the recording won't finish saving and you'll be left with an incomplete file. To look for your recording, navigate to the File menu and select Show Recordings. By default, OBS saves all recordings to the video folder. Now you've learned a little about how to use the sound system. For more information about the DLZ Creator and other special features or how to improve your skills in music, podcasting, or other audio mediums, please check out our resources guide on libraryguides.mdc.edu/HO Media.